Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and you're getting a 2-1 error code if you have a digital display. Or if you don't have a digital display, then the error light will be flashing 2 flashes, then a pause, and then 1 flash, which is the equivalent on a non-digital display. So what this error is and what you can do about it. So if you're getting this error, it means that there's a stuck button somewhere on this interface. And so this could be a couple reasons. The easiest reason and the easiest thing to do is just to go through and wiggle all the buttons back and forth. Something can get stuck down or something like that. And also just make sure your interface might be, have gotten kind of dirty or has stuff built up on it. So you kind of wipe it off, get it all nice and cleaned off, and wiggle each button and see if you can get the buttons undone. Hopefully that gets rid of the error. Because if it doesn't get rid of the error, then we're getting into more complicated things. But one thing you can do is you can open this up here and just make sure that all the wiring to the buttons is good. If the wiring has come loose or something like that, it could also be causing this issue. But then at that point you might be getting into stuff where you need a technician to come out, because then it could be the control board sensing something. But really the easiest thing you can do is just, the first thing to do before you try anything else is just to check all your buttons and make sure nothing's stuck down. Make sure nothing is unable to be pushed down because there's gunk on it or something preventing it from being pushed down properly. Anyways, so hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.